All right, so just going to walk us through real quick on 11 and 12. I don't have a way to get the calculator up on the screen here right now, and so just going to remind you of some stuff you know, just in case you're stuck. And we can look at these problems at the beginning of class tomorrow in case you are still having difficulties. So finding the volume of a rectangular prism is given by this equation right here, and we need to find a value x that maximizes the volume. Now, if we have a really, if we're using the calculator, just type that all in. Looking at it, we can see that it's going to be a cubic with a positive a value because negative 2x and negative 2x, they'll give us positive 4, and then times that last x, we'll end up with 4x cubed as our leading coefficient. Now, that means we're going to have a graph that looks something like that. I'm having a hard time getting it on the screen right now. But, yep. But we're looking for where it's at its maximum. Now we're not going to go all the way to x equals infinity because y equals infinity. We're just looking for that local maximum. And now on your calculator, if you hit in your the calculate button and go to maximum, make sure you go on your left bound, so on the left of the hump, and on your right bound to the right of that hump, that crest there of the maximum, the local maximum. Don't hit a guess, just hit enter twice, and you'll get to your x value and your y value. Hopefully you're coming up with numbers similar to these right here. 12 is really similar to that. So we're going to determine the coordinates of the zeros here, and we're given this function right here. Now again, you're going to use your calculate button. Go left of the 0, go right of the 0. So left bound and right bound. Hit enter. Don't put a guess in it. It'll find it for you. And actually, if you put in a guess, it's either too close or too far away. It can throw you off. Hit it in, and you should get one that is negative 1.3, something right around there. Then go left bound here and right bound right on here, and we'll get 0.5. And lastly, left bound here and right bound here, you'll get your 2.8. Also find the maximum and minimums, the relative minimum, go left bound, right bound, you'll find a point right here. And for your local maximum, left bound and right bound, you'll find that point right there. Sorry not to be able to show you more specifically on the calculator, but if you are still having problems, we'll take a brief look at that tomorrow before the test.